English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. 50 English conversations to ask directions. Where is the station? Where is the station? Where is the station? Where is the station? Go straight this road. Go straight this road. Go straight this road. Go straight this road. How many minutes? How many minutes? How many minutes? How many minutes? About 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. Do I turn right? Do I turn right? Do I turn right? Do I turn right? At the next corner. At the next corner. At the next corner. At the next corner. Is there a light? Is there a light? Is there a light? Is there a light? One traffic light. One traffic light. One traffic light. One traffic light. Do I cross the bridge? 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 Do not cross the bridge. 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 Can I see the station? 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 You will see it soon. 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 Is it near? Is it near? Is it near? Is it near? Yes, very near. Yes, very near. Yes, very near. Yes, very near. Is there a store? Is there a store? Is there a store? Is there a store? In front of the station. 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 Is there a restroom? Is there a restroom? Is there a restroom? Is there a restroom? Inside the station. Inside the station. Inside the station. Inside the station. Do you have a map? 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 Here is a map. Here is a map. Here is a map. Here is a map. That helps. That helps. That helps. That helps. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Is there a bus stop? 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 It is over there. It is over there. It is over there. It is over there. Is this road safe? Is this road safe? Is this road safe? Is this road safe? Yes, it is safe. Yes, it is safe. Yes, it is safe. Yes, it is safe. Can I walk at night? 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 Many people here. Many people here. Many people here. Many people here. Is there a park? Is there a park? Is there a park? Is there a park? Next to the station. Next to the station. Next to the station. Next to the station. How many minutes left? How many minutes left? How many minutes left? How many minutes left? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Is that true? Is that true? Is that true? Is that true? Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. Can I take a photo? 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 Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Is this the right way? 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 Yes, correct way. Yes, correct way. Yes, correct way. Yes, correct way. I got lost. I got lost. I got lost. I got lost. It is okay. It is okay. It is okay. It is okay. The station is close. The station is close. The station is close. The station is close. I feel better. I feel better. I feel better. I feel better. That really helped. That really helped. That really helped. That really helped. I am glad. I am glad. I am glad. I am glad. I will go now. I will go now. I will go now. I will go now. Take care. Take care. Take care. Take care. Thank you again. Thank you again. Thank you again. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.